I'm really excited because we're making pizza with Colleen's naan for a crust. And her naan, so this is non-gluten, non-wheat, low carb bread basically that we use for everything. Tacos, sandwiches, cook them crisper, use them for chips, for dipping, and it tastes oh so very good. So this time we used it for pizza. Used the crust for the pizza. So, oh yeah, look at that. Is that beautiful? Oh yeah, let's check it out. Slide these onto the cutting board. They slide right off, no stick. All right, and I'll grab my pizza cutter and yeah, oh yeah, check it out. It's thin and crispy. And also very good. Success.